Hello, guys. Now we're gonna work on a real example from your book, from the learning book. Okay. Um, we gotta write first 45 as a product of prime numbers and 75 as a product of prime numbers. Okay, we don't care. We will do it later, because we need to find LCM of 75 and 45 and 75 and HCF of 45 and 75. So we gotta find LCM of 45 and 75. We don't know what is that. Also, HCF of those two exactly same numbers. Uh-huh. So now let's remember our previous class about the steps that Shuriya found about how to find the LCM and HCF. And we see that for both of them, the first two steps are exactly the same. The first step is that we got to do the prime factorization, right? So for 45, let's do the prime factorization. We got 3, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. Be good. And 75, we got 3, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. Okay, that's it. Now let's try to do these parts just for fun. Write 45 as product of prime numbers. We already got it. This is the 45 prime factorization, right? Then 45 as a product of prime numbers will be, we got 3, 3, 5, right? 3, 3, 5. We need product, so 3 times 3 times 5. Or you remember some found that instead of writing 3, 3 two times, you just gotta do 3 to the power of 2 times 5. With the same logic, 75 will be 3, 5, 5. So you see, 3, 5, 5. Or 3, 5, we wrote 2 5s, so 3, 5 to the power of 2. Okay, that's it. This was this part. Done, done. Now, we got to find, let's start with HCF. So we did prime factorization for both numbers, and now we got to circle common numbers. So let's start with this 3. Is it common? Yes, it has its pair in 75 as well. So 3 is being circled. Next 3. Is it common? Do we have another 3 here? No. So it's not circled. 5. Is it common? Yes, it is. We have 5 here and 5 here. So we are done. We circled. The second step is also done. And now we got to do HCF. So HCF was multiply common numbers. So HCF of 45 and 75 is that multiplying common, or instead of common, we can also say circled numbers, because we were circling common numbers, right? So what are the circled numbers? 3. So you see the circles on the board, right? The common numbers are 3 and 5. We're going to multiply them. So HCF will be 15. So this part is done. And now let's go for LCM. LCM of 45 and 75. What was the step for LCM? You see over here, it says that take one of the numbers. Let's take 45. Doesn't matter which one we take. Take one of the numbers. We took it. Perfect. We did. Thank for Churia. Then multiply it. So we took 45. So we're gonna multiply it by the non-circled ones on the second number, which is our second number. We already took 45. Our second number will be 75, right? So we're gonna multiply it by the uncircled numbers. You see it says non-circled numbers on 75. In 75, there is only one number which is not circled, which is 5. So 45 times 5 will be LCM of 45 and 75. Or instead of taking, you remember we said take one of the numbers and we said it doesn't matter, right? We took 45. So let's make sure that it doesn't matter. So this time let's take 75 instead. So we took 75. We will multiply 75 by uncircled guys on 45. We look at 45. There is only one guy which is not circled, which is just 3 over here. You see that 3 is not circled. The other guys, this is circled, this is circled. This is the only one that is not circled, right? We multiply 75 by 3. So what's 45 times 5? It is 225. What is 75 times 3? It's also 225. So both of them works. Doesn't matter which number you choose, you will get 225 as LCM of 45 and 75. So we are done with this question. Bye bye.